masdan, ligaya ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Ingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso ko ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo ay gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko'y itong pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso ko ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo may gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko'y itong pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na. Iingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso ko ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo may gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko'y itong pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na.
She shared with others, return to her 100-fold. As she continues her journey, grant her good health, peace of mind, and happiness in the days ahead. Surround her always with your protection and grace. May she
For this very festive celebration. So in advance, we say thank you to each and everyone for joining us tonight as we celebrate this very special milestone of Madame Colette. So ladies and gentlemen, again,
Number. So, according to my coordinator, Ma'am Ellie, you need to do something tonight to make our birthday celebrator happy. So, I am so honored and happy tonight to be part of this 85th birthday of Madame Colette. It is with great honor and with distinctive pleasure to stand right in front of everybody and to showcase my little gift in comedy. So this evening, I would like to introduce myself. Ngayon ko na, Madam, I cannot assure you that I can speak English throughout the program because most of the time, my subject and verb don't agree to each other. And I only have hundreds of English words when I speak English, and if I'll go in, I will suffer from headache, toothache, muscle pain, and the worst thing is dysphagia and dysmenorrhea. That if I want, I can, because I'm a graduate of Suleiman University, and I took a broadcasting expert in journalism, and I am also member of the terrorism group. Ang dili ko palakpak, mamiligro karong gabi. Yeah, one of the reasons I compare English is because according to my coordinator, Ma'am Ellie, you cannot underestimate the visitor of Madame Colette because they are not only legendary, well-educated, intelligent, but also highly calibrated individuals. Could you imagine that I am half of your age? The song for that is something like this. At last, our loves come along. My lonely days are over. Of course, you are no longer lonely because you have your lovely partner. After magpakasal yun mo, atubangan sa simbahan ang kanta na punana kay this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in Him. Ano ba, syempre, pag-abot ang pagkagabi, first ninyo nga pa nagdulog. We call it honeymoon. That's very romantic. Kung first time ninyo mapiluan ang himaya sa langit niya, itugdong sa yuta, imo kong inumbana ang kanta niya na, Dudong, break it to me gently. And once tasted, always wanted. Siyempre, kay bagong minyo ang kanta ni Ana. All of this is just part of the script, nothing personal, and with no malice, because I know some of you are conservative, some of you are religious, or maybe some of you are not into this kind of entertainment. Binisayon ko lang, no, basin unya ba along the way. Sometimes nag-istorya ko din sa tubangan, yun, sabi na sa atong mga relihiyosang nga sensitive kayo nga bisita this evening, basin na ako mayaw-yaw nga dili mao, mabastusan mo nako, ma-offend mo nako, kuman maglakay inyong buot, musaka inyong kabuhi, muursan inyong mga yurik, masuko mo sa ako, paatangan ko ninyo sa gawas, labi na kagalantaw ko, murag mga likon yan.
Clupido Grill. So Clupido Grill is for your diabetic still.
Number 4.
Percent. Yes, madam. Correct, memorize din mo. Hindi mo na resita. Wala ganito cellphone.
Dito magdaka ni abing madam.
O yan, kanina mga gipang resita. These are common nga gipang resita sa ato nga mga senior.
Number 1.
Tozam.
Ozam. Madam. Labi na unta ko yabang. Ano na lang, ako na lang ito kaninyo. Ang pagkantaw happy birthday, depende na sa edad. Kung ayaw mo, masagad o kanta. Happy birthday to you. Gibataan mong Madam Kulit no 85 naman. Ang pagkanta rin na nakakatulog pang bata siya, 1 to 18 years old. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Pero ay na sa 18, 40, 50, you need to change the melody into something upbeat. Kaya nga baka kung bahala ko handaan, may inom radaog na. Kung ang pagkanta na kalangitan, happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman, sa akin ang pulutan. Pag-abot din ko chili ng
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The 85th birthday celebration of Madame Colette. And we would like to, Ma'am Colette, to make a wish before blowing the candle. Pangayo ta grasya sa Ginoo. Ato lang dagaan sa masingaw palakpak. There you have it. Oh, wala na Indoy. So, senior representative yun ang na-out. Yellow, green, pink, blue. Walay blue. Naay blue ni Pato. Wala. Very good. Red, green, pink, blue, red. Ah, sige ko. By red, yellow, pink. Okta si Madam. Palakpakan po ninyo. Tapos si Ma'am. Thank you. Kamong duha, sir. Papaspasay na, sir, og Ma'am. Blue, red, yellow, pink. Okay. Yellow, blue, red, yellow, black. Ano?
Happy birthday, Woa Colette. We love you. God bless you. And thank you.
Hi, Mama. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How is my darling Pongking King Pongking? That's what you always call the three little pigs. Because whenever we tried to tease you back in the day, showering you with kisses, you would always say, "Pahawa mo." Or your common phrase is, "Ayaw mo pabuyag para dili sayangan ang sakripisyo sa inyohang papa." But overall, I just want to let you know that we are so thankful that you are our mama. We call you Mama Kulit. Yes, you are makulit. But by the end of the day, we are so proud to have you as our mom. And we, your three children, me, Janjan, Jimboy, are so proud and we are so blessed to have you as our mama. All throughout, you have been our number one supporter. You're the number one that would pray for us. And how we wish that we could celebrate your 85th birthday there in Dumaguete. But it's okay because you are surrounded with so many people that loves you, prays for you. Know that we are so happy that you are doing well, and we wish you more good health, more laughter, less sweets though, but just a little bit. Tilaw lang gamay, okay? So, Ma, happy birthday. Thank you, and I thank God for giving you another year, 85 years. So we thank you, we love you. God bless you. You and Papa. Thank you. Thank you. Love you, Mom. Love you.
Hi everyone, this is John Don Juan, John J speaking. I am the least handsome of Papa June and Mama Colette's prodigal sons, the three little pigs. I am being forced to make this video after my 12-hour shift from the Veterans Hospital, or else they will not take me out to dinner when my birthday comes at the end of the month. Anyway, I just want to greet Mama Colette a happy 85th birthday. Congratulations on this milestone. You are blessed. You are loved. Be kind, be loving, and be patient to everyone around you. Most probably are here tonight to celebrate your birthday. Stay happy, stay healthy, and most of all, don't forget to like and subscribe to the one above. Happy birthday, and love you todo todo. Walay break, walay cambio.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ma Colette. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you always. Hope you have a blessed day.
Love you, Mom, and hope you're having a blessed happy birthday from me, Melissa, and our little addition, Koa, who's being a naughty boy. Happy birthday, Mom. God bless. Love you as always.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom.